Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install Netflix on your Mac, whether you're using Google Chrome or Safari. If you've ever opened up the App Store and searched for Netflix, only to come up empty, yeah, you're not alone. There is no official Netflix app for Mac, but I've got a workaround that gives you the next best thing. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button down below, if this helps you out. I post simple tech tutorials like this just to make your life easier. Alright, let's dive in. So let's start with Google Chrome. Open up Google Chrome and then head over to netflix.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Now once you're on the home page of your account, go to the three vertical dots on the top right corner of Chrome. Now hover over Save and Share. Then click on Install Page as an app. Now for this we're going to rename it. I'll just rename it Netflix. And then we're going to click on Install. And now what this will do is that it will add its own version of Netflix. And as you can see, it's already added it to my dock over here. So now, anytime I want Netflix, I click on it and it opens up the app for me. Now let's say you're someone who doesn't use Google Chrome and uses Safari. So for example, I'm going to go on Safari, search up Netflix, and then sign in using the same thing. From here, I'm going to click on File, and under Export as PDF, you should see an Add to Dock button. When you click on that, it will prompt you to edit the title of it, and then the MacBook will add its own version of that app as like a browser installment. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can open Netflix with one click, straight from your dock, and no browser tabs needed. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. Got any questions or need help with anything else on your Mac? Drop a comment down below or head to my channel's About section to find my email. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next Netflix binge.